Live from the command center, jwsolarusa. This is what we received the weekend. So check this out: a spot welder and a resistance or ohm meter impedance. This is the RC3563 battery tester that tells you what's the ohms on the battery, to see what's really the resistance on them, if they're good or too high or bad or whatever. And here is another box of battery. Let's check it out. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Also, it's another box here. I forgot to mention this one. So other batteries here, and these are 75 amp hours, 3.5 volts each. So 6 of them. So one whole box. So we're gonna check out this guy here. We're gonna talk about all these on a separate videos. I just want to show you what we've been putting together here, or we just received a few weeks ago. So okay, another set of batteries here. These are 24 volts. I think the max is 28 to 29 volt. So yeah, the batteries 218650. So we just have to go through these and get our connections and the screws on this side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 14 and 14 on the other side. I suppose, yeah, I don't think there's anything in between. It's 28 batteries on each module. It has a QR code here. Maybe if we scan that one, we'll find out more about this battery. Or maybe the specs. There you go. So I have 1 2 3 4, I think I have 8. Yeah, 8 of these guys, I suppose. Let's see. No, 2, I think it's 12. 2 4 6 8 10 or something. We'll find out on our next video. I just want to show you what just here and what we have, what we picked up. More batteries, more projects, more cool stuff, portable systems, and I'll be building those, and I just want it to be really cool with a spot welder. So if we want to do spot welding, 18650 batteries, or like the one you just see here, or you just saw here, 218650, we can do welding on this stuff. So this is the spot welder cable. Yeah, the probes right there. I think this is the power supply right here, and we have a resistance meter right here, and it has 4 probes, 2 on each. it kind of, when you press them, it kind of go like a shock absorber or something. So you plug it right here, tells us exactly the voltage and the battery resistance. So here is the power cable for this guy. So 12 volts, 60 watts. So it takes 12240 AC, 1.5 volt, 50, 60 hertz. So the model number is 1250. So if you are one of these, and probably your power supply already went bad, so here is the model for you. I'm using 12 volt, 5 amps. So it's gonna go right on this spot right here to charge these capacitors. I don't want to mess with them. They can be dangerous and lethal. And here is the screen. This is like a potential meter. You can adjust the voltage depends on what you about to weld. You see there's a board on top of the capacitors, and it has a fan. So guys, this is what we have to learn how to use all this stuff, since we're taking this project to a different level. And we have batteries here, like I said, and we have batteries here made in Japan. They're beefy. They are made for EV cars and never been used, brand new. So I think it's a M8 whatever, or M6, something like that. I have to look at the specs again. So 75 amp hours. Let me see if you wanna look at the barcode. I think something, the specifications are down here. It's covered with this tag. I can see like a 8, and there is something here. It's like a 4 something that is covered. You see that? So we'll find out as time goes. So I'm looking more for these ones. I was gonna order 3 boxes. It comes in 6s. So, and it didn't happen. They kind of a little bit spendy, but like I said, you pay for what you want. Good stuff are not always cheap, you know. Unless you're lucky, you're gonna get them at a good deal. So these are the other batteries right here. So just want to show you what we're gonna be dealing with here at the JW Solar USA, and stay tuned for that, for more to come live from the channel. And like and subscribe. Okay, there goes the voltmeter. Let's see, from this point to this point it reads about 27. $27.30. So from here it's a 3.905. So if we go to here, this meter can only stay. Alright, so we already tested from here. 23.905. So if we try to here is 7.8. So you go to here 11.79, and goes to here 15.60, and go to here 19.51, and go to here is 23.41, and go to here 27.31. So these are all the points you can put your BMS. See that? So the wire is already pre-wired for your terminals. You can just attach these guys here. So these are 8S. So it's a 24 volt. So I was thinking, well, let me don't spoil the video. It will be another video for these guys. Okay? So we'll talk about it. So it's a 8S configuration right here. See that? To series parallel. So I think it's 7 in series, 7 in series parallel. So it's a 8S2P. This one can deliver up to about 30 amps according to specs. 30 amps. Very powerful batteries. I can see if they're gonna be stackable all the way back here. Can see if they're all stackable, and we can go from there. So the BMS, see that positive of the BMS here. If you put this one to this one, here is the terminal, so we can charge on these sides, on this part of the BMS, and we can pull on this one if we want to. So these are smaller wires. I think probably it's 20 gauge or 18 gauge wires. 23, something like that. Well, like I said, it's a main terminal, positive, negative, and you can read also on the little ones here. So we can charge on the BMS, and we can discharge on this if you want to. Alright, stay tuned, like and subscribe. jwsolarusa, thanks for watching. This is all I have for you today, and we're going to be working on this project. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and always don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.